inside of here, there's a little book, and you take it to each one of the stations, you get a stamp on it, and then at the end, there's a place to get a prize.
Oh,
yeah.
All right.
And there's arts and crafts in the middle.
Okay.
You get a prize at the end.
We already saw the surprises.
They're called smoothies. They like smoothies. They have they like their bug smoothies. They have 8 legs, like all arachnids. You take that one. 2 body segments.
It's a great event for natural history museums because one of the main missions of a natural history museum is to educate people about the importance of the natural environment and natural history in general. So an event like this gives us an opportunity to present great information, accurate information about a component of the natural environment that people may have never really thought about much. So it's a great way to sort of open their minds and to teach them about animals that they may have seen, they may have wondered about, but they really haven't had an opportunity to learn much about these organisms. And it's a fun way to present that information. It's an educational way to get really good information and in a really interactive way.
What we actually have here at the Denver Museum is a small subset of all the activities that we have. So at this point we have more than 25 activity stations. We've brought 14 of them here. One of the big ones that I've used at various venues is this Path of Predators, where there's a booklet that kids get when they walk in, and they get a bag with a booklet and a pencil, and as they go around, they're focused on the 11 different arachnid orders, and each arachnid order has a station associated with it. And there's typically a live animal, there's an activity, there's trading cards, and so as they go to each table, they can get a trading card, and as they complete the activity, they get a stamp in their booklet. And this stamp is actually on a phylogenetic tree showing the evolutionary relationships of all of the different arachnid groups. So as they get their stamp, they can say, oh, amblypygids are really closely related to spiders. I wouldn't have thought that before. And then once they complete all of their stamps, they can go and they get a prize.
This big guy too, if you want.
And then we have a series of crafts that focus on different things. So we have one focused on camouflage, and we use the crab spider, which can actually change colors based on what flower it's on. It can change from yellow to white. And so they build their own tissue paper flower, and then we have little cut up spiders that they can then put on their flower and realize, oh, is this standing out or is this camouflaged? We have a clay station where they can create their own chelicerate, where they get a Ziploc bag of air dry clay, 8 black pipe cleaners, 2 yellow and 2 blue, and what they learn is that with this material they create a chelicerate. And so they learn, oh, first we need to separate the clay into 2 parts, because all arachnids, all chelicerates have 2 body parts. And then, oh, there's 8 black pipe cleaners because they all have 8 legs. And there's 2 yellow pipe cleaners representing the pedipalps and 2 blue representing the chelicerae. So there's a series of kind of craft activities that, again, all are designed to convey some knowledge.
You got it!